Recently, a friend of mine moved out and gave me this free used TV. It's an LG 60-inch LCD TV from circa 2015. It's already it's already 2024, so it's about 9 years old. I'm not complaining. It's a nice big TV, 1080p resolution. And what's the point of this story? It's nice to get free stuff, even if it's, what do you call it? It's just nice to get free stuff in general. And so this is my old 9-year-old TV, which I'm going to enjoy until it breaks down. And I didn't have to pay anything for it, thanks to someone I knew. Hopefully, if you're in this situation, you can probably buy something used for cheap, or you can hopefully be acquainted with a family member or friend that will gift you their old TV. My brother actually has some old TVs that he's asked me if I wanted to get rid of, but the colors on this are not too bad, but the blue is kind of a little off, so I need to adjust the color settings, I think. So that's my short story. I received a free TV to replace, actually, free TV. I received this free TV a few years ago and was using it. It's a plasma TV and it gets pretty hot. And this was given to me by a different friend. Either people feel I'm a charity case, or I guess I'm known as the guy who takes old TVs.